Hey guys, this is a product review of this compression packing cube set that I got. It's in this fun yellow and brown color, which I love. The yellow is really bright, and then the brown contrast just makes it feel kind of like tropical. It sort of reminds me of bananas, so it feels really playful. And this set comes with two of the large, three of the large, oops, and then two of the smaller size. So you can see 1, 2, 3. So it's going to hold a lot of stuff. And then your two smaller ones that are like pretty decent size. And I'll show you how they work. The yellow is the opening, and then the brown zipper is going to be the compression. So that two-tone makes it easy to keep track of what you're zipping and unzipping. And so you expand it like that, and then put your clothes in. So I do them rolled up. And I like that it's slightly sheer, so you can kind of see what's going on in here without it being too see-through and exposed. So you close it, and then you see it's like kind of a loose bag. But then when you go to zip it, so you have it wide like that, you zip it up, and it gets tighter. So it just compresses what you have in here. So that's just going to make it so you can have a lot more of these like soft cotton t-shirts. They're not taking up so much space. They're squished down a little bit. So I think this is really fantastic and easy to use. And it does also come with this travel friendly, like this is where you would put your liquids. So I put like shampoo, toothpaste, get like the travel size ones and put them all in here. And then you can put this when you're at TSA, just put that and they can see exactly what you have going on. And I love the bright yellow. And then we also have this little, it's like a laundry bag, is what I call it. You could put your shoes in here. And what's cool is because it's strung like this, you can use it as a backpack if you needed to do like a day trip, or just take your laundry to get it washed when you're traveling. This is just going to make it easy to carry it with you. So really cool set. Yeah, there are a lot of options out there, but this one's really cool. I love the colors. It feels like a nice quality. I think it's really well made.